Let's also look at Bitcoin. Even on the Bitcoin, since we discussed last time, we said that we have to break out of this box, so we did it. And even if you analyze this trade or this scenario here for this box, we came out of this falling 20 moving average, then we started to curl up, and as you can see here, we see a lot of green bars on the bottom for the MA rising, moving average rising, and it was combined with a breakout of the box, and we have seen this quick move from 86,000 all the way to 96,000. So even on the Bitcoin, we are seeing some rest for last 5 to 6 days. I would assume, or at least we would at least expect to see similar kind of a behavior on the QQQ Nasdaq ETF as well as the SPY ETF. And that's a good sign if we pause for a few days and then move higher. If we keep moving higher just like that, then there's a good chance of a big correction, or at least like a rough correction coming our way. So pausing for a few days and then moving ahead on the upside is always a welcome thing. So Bitcoin is pausing. Look for the break above this trend line that I've drawn here. So let me just make it a little bit bold or thicker. So that's your trend line. If you have to buy Bitcoin again, look for breakout of this box. I think you can also draw a box here. It's indeed a box structure that is again forming here. So this is a tight consolidation band that we are seeing in the price of Bitcoin. One more box. And if we are able to break this box with a bullish momentum similar to what we have seen here on the bottom, then you can see much more higher levels. So what levels are we can expect in the short term? At least on the 99,000 to $100,000 on the Bitcoin is more likely possible if we can break above this trend line in the box that I've drawn here. So watch out for that. And I think if it presses through the $100,000, it can again hold on for some time because we have moved from like 75,000 to let's say 100,000 in relatively short period of time of less than 1 to 2 months. Then it really calls for some good amount of pause time for markets to reflect where we are heading, and it's also healthy in many ways.